Hi, today I'm for the new VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So to activate the turn off silent mode, we should first open the control panel and here you'll see silent mode icon. Just click on this icon to activate silent mode, and to turn it off we should also click on this icon. So one more way how we can do that, just press up or down volume button, then click to this bell icon twice. Now let's switch to the cross bell and we can see that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, click on the cross bell to switch it to the regular one, and by this way we just successfully turned off the silent mode. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.